Hi, my name is Waquar Ahmed. I am the branch manager for Bowling Green, Kentucky. I got to know about PRMG through Scotsman Guide. It's an online, uh, maybe a print magazine. I was looking for a company to sign up with that is transparent in their branch setup. I got to talk to Joe Heister. He is the regional manager for Eastern Division of PRMG. After talking to him for several times via telephone and a few Zoom call, I was sure that this is the company that I want to sign up with. The way PRMG can help me is their overall platform. Everything they provide, from recruiting to marketing to down to even the people they have. I'm a strong believer that it is, at the end of the day, people business. I have been in transition for about 2 months with PRMG, and I have not yet met one person that I wasn't impressed with. Their friendliness, transparency, and overall willingness to help. So I am very excited, and I believe that this will be a great partnership. I think I can achieve my goals to be a prominent mortgage lender in our area. I am flabbergasted, excited about the amount of technology they have. I'm a big believer on being able to have all the tools, from social media to marketing, to ability to close a loan super fast. My partners, my realtors in town, I can keep them informed. I can provide them faster, better service. And at the end of the day, of course, the rates are great with PRMG. They provide a wide array of products. I can't think of one product that I need that they don't offer. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I believe all the tools. I haven't been able to delve into all of the tools, so I know in summary what they are, and I'm looking forward to utilizing a lot of those tools. Transparency to me is number one, because I have been in business for about 10 years. So I've dealt with several other company such as PRNG, but by far they're above and beyond the most transparent company. So that's number one to me. Number two, they're very fast at getting to me what I need. If it is training related, they're right there for you. If it is, I need to close a loan because this loan needs a special attention because it is one of my very, very good partner that I'm working with, that loan belongs to, or that deal belongs to, they're there to help. Other than that, I mean, I'm impressed with their marketing department. I haven't had a chance to really dive into it. As I told you, I'm in a transition period. Down to even payroll department. They're fast, they're clear. I haven't had one mistake that I can point out. So IT department is great. Had some issues, technical issues. They resolved them within a few hours. And I can't say enough about my direct boss, or the gentleman that I will be answering to, seeking help, Joe Heister, enough, and his partner, or his other partner that he utilizes to help us, Tracy Cecil, out of Cincinnati area branch. So overall, like I said, it's a people business, and they have good people. A few of the best reasons that I think someone would love to join PRMG is their overall platform. Now that starts from their ability to provide various different products. Uh, their rates are very aggressive, and that all ties into uh, loan officers' compensation package. Uh, so I would, in my opinion, and you tie that in with all the technology they have on board, and they're properly staffed. So speed, proper compensation, array of products that they offer. You tie all that into, absolutely, I think that I can attract others to join my group.